Twitter employees launched a hashtag Rest in Peace Twitter trend as hundreds of company's employees are estimated to be leaving the crisis-ridden social media company. The mass resignation at Twitter comes following an ultimatum from new owner Elon Musk that staffers sign up for long hours at high intensity or leave. In a poll, 42% of 180 people choose the answer for taking exit option I am free, while only 7% of the poll participants said they clicked yes to stay I am hardcore. Musk unleashed chaos at Twitter just a few weeks since he took the charge of the company. Thousands of company staff were shown exit doors, citing the loss in revenue of the company as the reason. And those who have survived the layoff have been asked to pledge to hardcore work or resign with severance pay. Following this, several employees on Twitter announced that they were signing off after Musk's deadline to pledge. Reports of Twitter outages rose sharply from less than 50 to about 350 reports, according to the website Down Detector, which tracks website and app outages. In a private chat on Signal with about 50 Twitter staffers, nearly 40 said they had decided to leave. Dozens of Twitter employees across the United States and Europe had announced their departures in public Twitter posts. Many employees didn't waste much time to tender their resignation, and netizens did what they do best when things turn sour. They made memes. While some of those memes will make you giggle, some were quite concerning, keeping in mind the future of the microblogging site.